What's going on, everyone? Well, we got a fuel door that won't open up on this 22 Corolla. If you come over here with something to try to pry it open, it won't move. Pulling up on the lever, it still won't pop out or move. So what you can do, this is pretty much with any Toyota that's like this, what you can try is you need to get something to hold this lever up. I'm gonna show you what's actually broke with this one too. But this is how we're gonna get it open. We're gonna use the manual to kind of come over here and hold this guy up and open like that. It still hasn't popped open. The problem is the popper is missing probably. So now we can just open it up with the key real gently. You can use your fingernail if you got fingernails. There's actually a spring that's supposed to go right here and it's missing. It's come off and it's shaped like a piece of metal that's bent in a V and it pushes against here. When you pull the lever, there's a little plunger that goes in and out. The plunger's inside right now because we got it held open. So it is unlocked. As soon as you let go of that lever, it pops back out and it locks into here. But we're missing this little piece right here. Now you can buy the little piece from Toyota. We're back with the part. I went and ordered the part from Toyota. Here's the part number. Took a look at Amazon and you can actually buy these on Amazon for all the Camrys and Corollas. I'm gonna have a link in the description box that takes you straight over there. They're aftermarket and they're like half as much as the Toyota factory ones. Let's go put this guy on. So if we look here, it's pretty much just missing the metal piece right there. And there's a little tab right here. Let me just push in and we can pull this off. Boom, gone. And we just get our new one, put it in here like this, snap it back on. Let's get a screwdriver out of that. Bam, saved us a little bit of money doing it ourselves. Probably saved a whole lot of money. See how it springs back and forth now? This is what we're trying to accomplish. All right, guys, well, I hope this video was really helpful. And if it was, you can support the channel by hitting subscribe, hitting the like button, or leaving me a comment. I'd really appreciate that. And I hope to see you again in another Toyota video. Thanks for watching.